Okay, I got a 2000 3500 Ram van. Both heater core hoses coming from into, was it like 155 degrees or more? So I'm getting heat to it and out of it. So I'm thinking it's a blend door activator or vacuum. I'm not really sure. I can't find any information where it's at or anything.
Okay.
I don't know if it's electronic or if it's vacuum modulated.
Okay, so the problem that you're having is there's no heat. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and your question to me is what could be wrong?
Yes, I was just assuming it was an actuator, but yes, ultimately, yeah.
All right, and you're saying that both heater core hoses are nice and hot. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Okay, all right. So if they are nice and hot, and they're pretty darn close to engine temperature, then yes, I would suspect we probably have either an issue with the heater core itself, or a faulty blend, or really it's called a temperature air door, or the actuator for the temperature door is going bad, causing this problem. So what you could do is if you want to tackle this project yourself, you could try to locate that part, or you could just have a shop do this for you. Is this something you're going to do yourself?
Yes, I've actually located the vacuum diaphragm
Oh, okay.
for this, but I am not able to I located the part, but I haven't located the location.
Okay.
And I wanted to double check before I go having to tear into the dash, because it's really a hard one to get to.
Okay. So your question is, where's the actuator?
It's partially that, and partially I'm wanting reconfirmation that I'm not overlooking something else
I
before
gotcha.
I go tearing into. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I'm thinking this is the next step, is look into the vacuum. But this puppy is laying there, and I'm not getting any information other than probably having to order a factory repair manual
Right.
to do a diagram, because Haynes manuals are worthless junk.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I guess this is the point I'm at then. I think I wanted more confirmation more than anything else.
Okay. Well, it certainly sounds like you're headed in the right direction. We know that heat's getting to the heater core, right? And I will say this: I think the heater core is pretty common to go bad, but you could certainly check the blend air door. I'm sorry, the temp. It's not the blend. It's the temperature air door motor. If it's an act like the electronic actuator, or if you have a vacuum operated one, you could check to see if the vacuum if it's getting vacuum and it's holding vacuum and stuff like that. You could certainly head that direction. So what I could do for you is I could look to see what information I have here online. And
if you could find an actual location, I've actually found the part at AutoZone. It's only a $20 part, but trying to get to it, that's the hard part.
Okay, you just want to know where it's located. Well,
yes.
I got some images that I think will help out. I can go ahead and send over what I got. They're not really that good, but it's better than nothing. How does that sound? I'll go ahead and send over what I have.
Okay, sure. The only thing I'm getting is it's towards the passenger side. It's not telling me what panel to remove. May have to figure it out myself.
Yeah, in some cases, the manufacturer doesn't even release that information. If I can get an R&R procedure for you, I'll send that one over for sure. But I got a picture. It says blend air door, and then it says intermittent white module, which looks like it's on those two are going to be on the passenger side. It looks like. It's because it's the blend air door. Yeah, you're not looking for the mode door. You're looking for the blend. Here's a good picture.
Yeah, I believe it's vacuum controlled. I didn't, because it did show up on the auto parts store. Just being a vacuum module.
It's like blend air door. Here, remove and replacement. Remove the heater and AC housing from the vehicle. Oh my goodness. They want you to remove the whole thing. Removal and replacement section. Remove the
From
top
the
cover.
outside.
Yeah. They want,
Okay.
oh my goodness, they want you to remove the whole thing. Install the blend air door pivot into the pivot hole. Wow. I'll go ahead and send you what I have.
All right.
But yeah, it may
Yep.
be harder than I thought.
Sure. All right. Sure.
And then if you have any
Thank
other
you.
questions, we can just go ahead and you can reply back online and just let me know what you find, okay? Or let me know if you have any questions and we can go from there.
Oh, okay then. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck, okay?
All right. Thanks.
You bet. Bye-bye.
Okay.